Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the question. An event planner is planning a party. It costs the event planner a one-time fee of $35 to rent the venue and $10.25 per attendee. So the event planner has a budget of $200. What is the greatest number of attendees possible without exceeding the budget? So we can assume X as a number of attendees in the party. Okay, so the cost of one attendee, that is a cost per attendee is $10.25, that is $10.25. Then what is the cost of X number of attendees? So we have to multiply the cost per attendee by the number of attendees, then I'm getting 10.25 X dollars is the total cost for X number of attendees. Apart from this cost, the event planner has to pay one-time fee of $35, so plus 35. So this is the total cost of the event. So, but the event planner has a budget of $200, and so without exceeding the budget, that means we should not exceed this budget $200. So this total cost should not exceed $200. So this total cost can be equal to 200 or it has to be less than 200. Okay, now in this inequality, we have to solve for X. And also we have to find the greatest number of greatest value of X that represents the greatest number of attendees, because X represents number of attendees. Okay, now let's solve for X in this inequality. For that I have to subtract 35 from both sides. So when I subtract 35 from both sides, positive 35, negative 35 will cancel out. I'm getting 10.25 times X less than or equal to, when I subtract 35 from 200, I'm getting 165. Okay, now to solve for X, I have to divide both sides by 10.25. So when I divide both sides by 10.25, this 10.25, 10.25 will cancel out. So X less than or equal to, so when I divide 165 by 10.25, I'm getting 16.097, and it keeps going. Okay, so the value of X can be 16.097 or it has to be less than that. Okay, so but X is X represents number of attendees. So always it has to be a whole number. So the number of attendees can never be a decimal. So since X is a whole number, so we have to round this value down to the nearest whole number. So then when this value is rounded down to the nearest whole number, it has to be 16. So definitely we cannot exceed this value. That means we cannot go to 17. So because X, the maximum value itself 16.097 something. So but since X is number of attendees and also it has to be a whole number, so it has to be rounded down to the nearest whole number, that is 16. So the maximum value of X is 16. That means X refers to number of attendees. The greatest number of attendees in the event is 16, so that the budget of $200 will not exceed. So the answer for this question is 16.